Hello, welcome back to study for past perfect. 그죠? Past perfect, present perfect, present perfect progressive. We have just covered past perfect on table 3-5. Table 3-6 about how to pronounce part past perfect, which is helping verb part, which is had, in combination with a noun and question word and things like that. So it's very simple and straightforward, so I'm not going to spend a lot of time explaining this. So in spoken English, the helping verb had in the past perfect is often reduced following nouns and question words. 그죠? noun하고 question word 뒤에 따라 나오는 helping verb part in past perfect is often reduced with the question word or noun. 그죠? So instead of pronouncing Joe had, we can say Joe already heard the story. Instead of pronouncing separately who had, we can say who had been there before you. That's pretty much it. So that's how to pronounce it. So it's not that hard. So take it as the way it is. Okay? And the next part, the dog had a bone. 자, even in spoken English, we are not going to make any changes. We are not going to reduce anything. Because had is not reduced when it is a main verb. 언제는 그렇답니까? Because we dealt with had in past perfect when it is used as a helping verb. But when had is used as a main verb, you are not supposed to shorten it with a noun preceding it or a question word preceding it. Okay? So that is it about table 3-6. I don't see any exercises, grammar exercises in relation with the 3-6. So let me directly get into table 3-7 instead of spending more time on 3-6 table. So 3-7 is about past perfect progressive. In one of prior videos, we studied the difference between present progressive verb tense with present perfect progressive verb tense. 그죠? So I think this table is dealing with past perfect progressive. Let's find it out what kind of verb tenses or circumstances or activities can be described under the past perfect progressive verb tense. Alright? Okay, so the vertical bar in a diagram always represents present time. So we are standing in this vertical line. So something to the left of the line is past event. Something to the right of the table, the vertical line is the future. 그죠? Okay, so the first example, Eric finally came at 6 o'clock. This is when Eric came, and I had been waiting for Eric since 4:30. So I had been waiting for an hour and a half. 그죠? 자, the next one. 자, 그래서 okay, let me finish this block. The police had been looking for the criminal for 2 years before they caught him. 어떤 겁니까? 요거하고 똑같은 건 아닌데, police가 몇 년 동안, 2 years 동안 criminal을 looked for 했답니다. 그죠? 그래가지고 언제 잡았답니까? 그래가지고 결국에는 과거형 포인트에 잡았답니다. 그죠? 그래서 여러분 제가 이 테이블을 time table for A, I was trying to use it for B 헷갈리면 안 됩니다. 그죠? 똑같습니다. 더 먼 과거부터 그죠? 더 현재에 가까운 과거까지 일이 지속적으로 일어난 겁니다. example A 같은 경우는 뭡니까? 기다려온 거고 example B 같은 경우는 찾아온 겁니다. 그죠? 자, 그래서 에릭이 6시에 왔는데 나는 4시 반부터 에릭을 기다렸고 1시간 반 동안 기다려서 에릭이 왔답니다. 그죠? 그 다음에 2년 전부터 경찰이 그 범죄자를 찾아왔고 언제 그 범죄자를 잡은 것도 과거의 한순간인데 그 과거의 한순간부터 2년 전부터 시작해서 현재부터 2년 전이 아니라 범죄자가 잡힌 과거의 한순간부터 그 순간부터 시작해서 과거로 2년 전부터 경찰이 그 범죄자를 찾아왔다는 겁니다. 그죠? So the past perfect progressive emphasizes the duration of an activity that was in progress before another activity or time in the past. 자, 어떤 activity duration입니까? 첫 번째는 에릭을 기다린 나의 기다림입니다. 그죠? 그게 activity고 두 번째는 어떤 activity입니까? 그 범죄자를 잡기 위해서 경찰이 그 범죄자를 찾아온 그 activity가 2년 동안 지속이 된 거죠. 그죠? 자, that was in progress before another activity or time in the past. 어떤 activity가 가까운 미래에 발생했습니까? 에릭이 온거구 6시에 범죄자를 잡은 겁니다. 2년 동안 경찰이 찾다가, 그죠? So, that kind of circumstances can be described under the past perfect progressive verb tense. 그죠? Okay, the next one. When Judy got home, her hair was still wet because she had been swimming. 자, 여기가 주디가 집에 왔는 시간이죠. 그죠? 그랬더니 그때 왔을 때 her hair was still wet. 아직 젖어 있었답니다. 왜 그렇습니까? She had been swimming before she got home. 이렇게 되는 거죠. 그죠? So I went to the Ed's house after the funeral. 그죠? His eyes were red because he had been crying. 자, 에드의 집에 가까운 과거에 갔습니다. 내가 갔죠. 그죠? 장례식 이후에. 갔더니 Ed's eyes were red because he had been crying. 장례식에 있는 동안에 울었었기 때문에 울고 있었기 때문에 내가 집에 갔을 때 아직 눈이 밝았다 이런 겁니다. 그죠? 그래서 이 past perfect progressive verb tense는 may express an activity in progress closing time to another activity or time in the past. 무슨 말입니까? 이런 거 똑같은 거 봤죠? 그죠? 주디가 도착하기 얼마 전부터 수영을 하고 있었기 때문에 그러고 수영하고 바로 집에 왔기 때문에 머리가 젖어 있었던 거고요. 내가 애들을 봤을 때 장례식 이후에 내가 애들의 집에서 애들을 봤을 때는 그 바로 전에 있었던 장례식에서 애들가 울었었기 때문에 눈이 빨갛다는 겁니다. 그죠? 그래서 주디가 집에 왔을 때 그 다음에 내가 장례식 이후에 애들의 집에서 봤을 때는 뭡니까? The activity in progress close in time to another activity or time in the past. 그죠? 그래서 이 과거 이벤트하고 고전에 일어났던 이벤트가 가까운 시기 내에 일어나고 있었던 겁니다. So close in time 내에 another activity or time in the past was in progress. 아시겠죠? 그죠? 그래서 시간의 개념이 설명이 안 되어 있을 때 이렇게 since 4:30, for 2 years 이런 말이 없죠. 그죠? 역시나 요 과거의 한 시점을 기준으로 해서 가까운 더 먼 과거부터 상황이 was in progress, 진행이 되고 있었다는 걸 보여주는 게 past perfect입니다. 그죠? 자, 그 다음에 actual spoken words, I have been waiting for you. The reported words, Leah told me that she had been waiting for me. 그죠? 자, 리아가 말한 거죠. 리아가 누가? 그녀가 had been waiting for me. 간접화법이죠. 그죠? reported words입니다. 그죠? 실제로 말한 건 I have been waiting for you 라고 이야기했죠. 그죠? 이게 누가 이야기했는 거예요? 리아가 이야기한 거죠. 그죠? 그래서 리아가 말한 겁니다. 뭐라고? 리아가 말했다고 말하는 거는 실제로 말한 것보다는 나중에 일어난 일이죠. 현재에 가깝게 일어난 거죠. 그죠? 그래서 리아가 실제로 말했던 거는 더 먼 과거에 일어났던 겁니다. 그죠? So the past perfect progressive also occurs in reported speech. 화법에서 이렇게 쓸 수 있습니다. 왜? 원래 햇말이 현재 완료 진행 present perfect progressive verb tense can be converted to show the time order in reported speech in relation with the reporting verb which is in past. Then you have to show something more past to the present perfect progressive in the original spoken words. So you have to choose past perfect progressive verb tense. 아시겠죠, 그죠? Okay, so this is it for the table 3-7. So after finishing table 3-7, you will be responsible for exercise 30 and exercise 31 and exercise 34. That's it. So this is the last table for the present and past perfect and progressive verb tense. So there are some of the wrap-up grammar exercises. So after this table, you are responsible for even numbers of the exercise 30, exercise 31, and exercise 34. That's it. Okay. I'm also very happy to finish chapter 3, which is the only verb-related chapters for the whole summer grammar classes for Azar Bluebook. So the reason I chose this chapter, because I believe that this chapter dealing with one of the hardest mechanics of the verb uses in English. So I want to remind you for sure of the usages, different usages of the past and present perfect progressive tenses. 아시겠죠, 그죠? Okay, so I'll see you again with continuing chapters. So after chapter 3, I'm gonna continue to cover for Tuesday and Thursday schedule for chapter 16, which is about coordinating conjunction, which can be very interesting topic because I have emphasized a lot of functions and importance of a lot of different conjunctions, including coordinating conjunction. So I'm really happy to cover coordinating conjunction, at last through the book and very systematically. So you got to be ready, and I'll be seeing you by covering chapter 16, coordinating conjunction, on the next video clip. Until then, see you.